Goodbye, ChatGPT. Explore 20 indispensable AI tools for achieving business and marketing success. 1. Aid Creative AI. This groundbreaking tool harnesses the capabilities of artificial intelligence to completely transform the advertising creation process. With Aid Creative AI, you can effortlessly produce visually captivating and influential ad content that captivates your target audience, leading to increased engagement and conversions. 2. Cortex. Experience the extraordinary features of Cortex at www.meetcortex.com. This all-inclusive platform utilizes artificial intelligence to streamline workflows and optimize efficiency. Cortex empowers businesses by automating repetitive tasks, providing data-driven insights, and facilitating seamless collaboration among team members, allowing you to maximize productivity. 3. Go Charlie. Experience the ease of generating a wide variety of creative assets, including images, blogs, ads, and website headlines with a single click. 4. Jasper. Explore the capabilities of Jasper. AI-driven platform empowers you to create compelling copy, ads, images, and more. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, Jasper allows businesses to quickly and efficiently generate high-quality content. Whether your objective is to optimize marketing materials or enhance creative projects, Jasper is the solution that can assist you in attaining remarkable outcomes. 6. Persona Card AI. Empowered by artificial intelligence, this tool examines your CRM data to reveal the top 3 persona profiles, each encompassing more than 20 attributes. By understanding the key characteristics of your customers, you can personalize your marketing strategies.